Worried a single chargeback could freeze your funds or even close your account? High-risk e-commerce merchants know how quickly disputes can derail revenue. Here's a simple way to track potential chargebacks. In Google Sheets, log each sale, return, and refund request so you can spot suspicious patterns early. It is a helpful visual, but manually monitoring every transaction takes time and can't prevent chargebacks automatically. That's where EasyPay Direct comes in. Their chargeback alert system flags issues before they escalate, helping you reduce disputes and protect your revenue. Plus, their FAQ on how e-commerce credit card processing works walks you through the steps behind each transaction, so you know exactly how payments move from start to finish. I've linked EasyPay Direct in the description, so you can see how their chargeback alerts and merchant support keep your store secure. Don't let disputes threaten your e-commerce business. With EasyPay Direct, you get proactive chargeback monitoring and reliable payment processing. Check the link in the description to get started today.